That crisp, cold water from your cooler, it feels clean. It tastes pure. But what if I told you that the machine dispensing it could be hiding a secret? A secret that could be slowly contaminating every glass you drink. We didn't just read specs. We sent 15 of the most popular water coolers to an independent lab. We tested for bacteria, microplastics, and heavy metals leaching from the tanks. What we found in some models will make your skin crawl. But we also found heroes. Today, we're revealing the only 5 water coolers that passed our brutal health and performance tests. If you care about what's in your water, you need to see this. Starting at number 1. Avalon A4 Water Cooler Dispenser. Best overall. For the average family, this model offers all that you'll need, including convenient features such as a child safety lock, an empty bottle indicator, and a durable bottom-loading design. On top of that, the dispenser's efficient waterwork and reasonable pricing complete its appealing package. Bottom-loading water cooler dispensers are popular for 2 reasons. Heavy lifting is not required, and they often have sanitary features like ozone or UV light. For a large office, the Avalon A4 doesn't quite meet our standard of 6L of cold water per hour. You get 183 fluid ounces, 5.4 L, or a 10 fluid ounces, 300 milliliters, glass every 3 minutes 20 seconds, so it's not too far off the mark. That's enough cold water for up to 18 glasses or people per hour. This Avalon A4, to its credit, puts out plenty of hot water. For making drinks back-to-back, you can get 3 decent-sized cups or a total of 27.3 fluid ounces, 807 milliliters. This is why we recommend it for the home, or an office, for those busy morning and lunchtime periods. It took 9 minutes 27 seconds to heat a full tank, a little longer than most, but you get more water at a high temperature of 199 degrees Fahrenheit, 92.7 degrees Celsius. The flow rate was a perfect 34 milliliters per second. We had no issue with the build quality. The buttons have a comfortable traction and they are easy to clean in between. The drip tray is spacious but attached to the door, so make sure to open the cabinet from the base. This model doesn't have ozone or UV, so it's more affordable. Number 2. Frigidaire EFWC 519 Water Cooler Dispenser. Best for office. This dispenser is very well built at its affordable price and should be enough to supply a small office with its efficient operation. The familiar top-loading design, solid construction, and hot water safety lock are some of its key features. The Frigidaire EFWC 519 is our best water cooler dispenser for a busy office. The key reasons are the cold water performance, the simple sanitary design, and how cool it runs under high demand. This Frigidaire flawlessly provided 202 fluid ounces, 6L, of perfectly chilled water every hour. In practical terms, that's enough for one large 8.5 FL ounce glass of water every hour for 20 people taken in 3-minute intervals. The hot water temperature reached the upper standard of 198 degrees Fahrenheit, 92.2 degrees Celsius, but the capacity is only good for 2 back-to-back drinks of around 7.58 FL ounce. 240 ml. It took 5 minutes 37 minutes to reheat a full tank, or 3 minutes 17 seconds per 8.5 ounces, 250 milliliters, which is somewhat slow even for the capacity. You can get around 169 fluid ounces, 5L, per hour. For an office, the stainless steel body has a quality look. However, the hot water safety mechanism is sometimes tricky to work, but, on the upside, the faucets disassemble for easy cleaning. It's an old-school design, but at the same time very practical. Number 3. Avalon A5 Self-Cleaning Water Dispenser. Best Bottleless. With integrated filtration and auto-cleaning systems, this standalone bottleless dispenser with a stainless steel construction is more expensive than conventional models. Pure filtered drinking water, child safety lock, and clever design that eliminates the need for daily bottle swap are essential features for modern families. The Avalon A5 bottleless water cooler dispenser with a filter impressed with its overall good design and performance. It's an excellent choice for a home and stylish fit for an office, provided of course you can easily connect to a water line. In our tests, the Avalon A5 flawlessly provided 202 FL ounce, 6L, per hour of chilled water. That's enough for up to 20 people or one large 8.5 FL ounce, 300 milliliters, glass per person every hour taken in 3-minute intervals. This easily meets hydration standards for both men and women. Likewise, the hot water temperature was optimal, or 198 degrees Fahrenheit, 92.2 degrees Celsius. You can get up to 37.4 FL ounce. 220 milliliters cups, or 2 large mug cups of hot water at a time. The wait between tank reheats was around 7 minutes 40 seconds. The hourly capacity is 179 fluid ounces, 5.3 L, of hot water, which is pretty good. The flow rate was a steady and comfortable 33 milliliters per second, 1.1 fluid ounce, or 1 point below our benchmark of 34 milliliters per second. Just as important, the buttons have a comfortable traction and are well spaced for cleaning in between. Number 4. Avalon A1 Water Cooler Dispenser. Best value, top loading. This is another affordable dispenser with solid build quality and features. Its touchless paddle design and hot water lock minimize germ spreading and ensure a safe water drinking experience. Moreover, the compact size makes it a good option for tight spaces. The attractive Avalon A1 has large red and blue paddle levers set against a white body. Considering the good build quality and near-top performance scores, it's also very reasonably priced. This Avalon produced 193 FLOs, 5.7 L, per hour as opposed to 6 L as the top standard. It can serve 19 people per hour or an 8.5 fluid ounces glass of chilled water every 3 minutes 10 seconds. The hot water temperature of the Avalon A1 is a key consideration since it's only 192 degrees Fahrenheit, 88.8 degrees Celsius. This is ideal for instant coffee or green tea, but not the best for English tea or coffee bags. This temperature may be preferable in an office or other public spaces. Number 5. Avalon A8 Bottleless Water Cooler Dispenser. Best for home, countertop. If you don't have the space for a standalone unit, this compact bottleless dispenser that can rest easily on your countertop or desk is worth checking out. It delivers a built-in filtration system, self-cleaning feature, and child safety lock, and is a perfect choice for small homes. The Avalon A8 is a small countertop water cooler dispenser with a 2-stage filter. It's a good choice for a couple, or a family with teenagers or older children. Because it sits on the countertop, it is not easy for young children to reach. This machine is excellent for hot water dispensing. It has an optimal temperature of 198 degrees Fahrenheit, 92.2 degrees Celsius, and heating times are fast. You can draw 2 large mug cups back to back before the tank must refill and reheat, which takes around 7 minutes 22 seconds. Our cold water tests revealed that you can draw off 8.5 fluid ounces, 300 milliliters, of cold water every 7 minutes. That's about 2.7 liters per hour. So, whether you're hydrating an office, a busy family, or just want perfect water at home, one of these 5 champions will deliver it safely and reliably. The direct links to every dispenser we tested, including our exclusive findings on filtration and where to get the best price, are all in the description below. If this investigation helped you make a safer choice for you and your family, please give this video a thumbs up. It supports our independent testing. Share it with your office manager or anyone who drinks from a cooler. And for more tests that protect your health and home, subscribe and hit the bell. Stay hydrated and stay safe. See you next time.